getting wet through. Help everybody. I've got Mark here and Simon cleaning the van here with MUk Junkie. MUk Junkie. Shows your t-shirt, Mark. Shows your t-shirt.
MUk Junkie, everybody. We're
Junkie.
giving it a try, see how good it is.
You can see how this MUk Junkie goes. And when we've done the video of it, we'll let you know how they're going on. Look at them, look. What's good clean this does. It's a lovely day today. It's a lovely day for cleaning van out, oh it is. You mark my words, it is. Look. Is it doing the job, blokes? Is it doing the job? Is it doing the job?
Leave it on for a bit.
Don't swear.
Yeah, you think I've got loads around the other side. What's all this here? Yeah. No, that should just come straight off. Show them that. That's it, yeah. Watch.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. It's got that off, look, people. MUk Junkie seems to be doing the. I thought that was a caterpillar's piece, didn't it? Look, MUk Junkie seems to be doing the job.
Yeah. Look how white.
When it's, I can reach there. It's nice when it's done, you know, isn't it? It's all clean. These vans off. All up there and all up, people. Can you see? Don't ask me to zoom in because I don't know how you do it, but it's all up there. All up there, look.
When you put it on water, then run it over.
Spray it, don't you? Doing the job, innit? Oh, it's all down there, yeah. Put a load on, gate on.
I'm going to get above that one, they can cotton white beach.
It's all coming off, look, seems to be doing the job. Everybody recommends it. MUk Junkie, that is. MUk Junkie.
It's really good stuff.
Have you got some of this, Simon?
Yeah.
You have, haven't you?
Yeah. I'll give Mark one mine. Yeah. I think most is going to be used on my van.
Most that's going to be used up, isn't it? All them cracks and crannies. What they're called.
I'll put it on the.
Come on.
MUk Junkie, that t-shirt's alright, isn't it? Say that's a large. No, is it really?
What's that?
That t-shirt.
Yeah.
You've either got fatter, haven't you?
Yeah, I've got fatter.
Put weight on, or whatever.
Lord horse, isn't he?
Bloody Lord horse.
We've got
the neighbour out now. Neighbour's out now, look, nosy head.
making us look dirty.
What are you doing it for your benefit?
Do it for MUk Junkie. Even got the MUk Junkie t-shirt on here.
You're up early, mate, and done your video already.
That's coming off, isn't it, Simon?
Good lad.
That all coming off.
Yeah.
It ain't even got a strong smell to it, has it, either?
No, it's got a bit of a TFR.
Not one of them overpowering, eh?
Bit of a TFR smell to it.
Yeah, not one of them overpowering where you get sore throat and stuff, is it?
It's definitely got a good detergent in it.
No, seems to be doing the job, look. Have they been round here? I think they have. Anyway, I'll get off now and I'll come back later, Tro. Still at it. Yeah, I've got you on there now. You're on it. That's two separatists making it up then. Of that. What do you do? Just fit them on?
Yeah.
All right, I told you what some of them. Non-slip things.
Oh. They look nice. I don't know if they're meant to be indoor or outdoor. You'd have to stick them down somewhere. You'd have to stick them down.
I can get a Velcro put on them, that's no problem.
Oh, yeah.
So I go on.
Yeah, they'll be all right. Stop from slipping and breaking your neck, don't they?
Oh, dear me.
I haven't even done my eyes for a while.
It is, isn't it?
So far, so good for this MUk Junkie stuff they've got. Hey? Machine? Have you got that machine on? Come on. Yes, Colette. Yes, Colette, I'm bringing the machine over. I'm bringing the machine. Where do you mean? What am I looking at? Hey? You got doing there? No, really, look. All right, put it there. How many is there? Two. One for each door. Oh yeah, chuck them in there then. Then we've got these on. Then we save them, don't you, when you get out?
You need to put it underneath them to sip out otherwise.
Yeah.
The fish in there.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're too small for ours.
Are they? Perfect in here.
Well, that's nice and shiny. Look, improvement on there. Isn't it? The windows. All that. Hey?
It's like that, look, when you put
Yeah. Yeah, that's it, yeah. Put them there, and then when you're out today, just get them out.
Yeah.
But we'll forget anyway. Come on, Marlo.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. What's that thing there?
What thing?
That old thing there. Oh dear. I think that's it. I'll switch you off. I'll get back to you in a bit. It's too dark. The sun's on us. It's in a bit trouble.
Hi everybody, yeah, got most of it off. I tell you something, got most of it off. It's not perfect, it might need 2 coats, but yeah, but then it hasn't been washed for about 8-10 weeks. It's not, so yeah, got a hell of a lot of it off. One more wash, which we'll do in a couple of weeks time, let this lot bed itself in and everything, but yeah, so it's not 100% perfect. I tell you something, that MUk Junkie ain't off, good stuff that, recommend that to anybody. What I'll do is I'll put a link in the description down to their website. Go over to it on Facebook and you see. But yeah, absolutely brilliant. I'll tell you that much. This side was black and green, and so was above the cab as well. So yeah, so I just can't believe it. It did it really well. Honestly, did it really well. Look, I'll stand back so you can see it all. Still a few marks up there. Look, but yeah, once I get it down to the storage, I can really get it sorted out. I can spend a whole weekend on doing this up and actually doing a proper detailed clean on it. See, and then you've got these 5 stood here, look, 6 of them, and I've done all the hard work and not one of them's helped me. They've all stood down and watched me. They have. Right, leave it there guys, and I'll get back to you all soon. Alright everybody, yeah, get over to MUk Junkie. Yeah, this is what I've used on the van. MUk Junkie there, as you can see, clean as a whistle. Yeah, doesn't want sponging over. There's a few black runs there, but yeah, once I get it into storage, I'll give it a really good valet, polish it all up and everything. It's coming off in the next couple of weeks, so yeah, take it from there, leave it there. Right, so forget everybody, I'll put a link to their Facebook page in the description. See you all soon. Alright everyone, yeah, we're back now to cleaning the van after all these lovely people helped me. Not one of them got wet. Right. Yeah, so they helped me down, and I tell you, he did a good job. I tell you, one side spotless, the other side needed another go in on the mirror covers, but that's because the mirror covers have lost their shine. So like Simon said, got to get them off, get them all sorted out, and then that'll cure that. But yeah, good stuff that is. Hang on, let me get me sent out of the sun here because the sun was shining on it as well. Yeah, so what I've done, what I'll do is I'll put a link to their Facebook page down below, so you can all go on there. I ain't got a discount code because this is not a paid promotion, this is just something I've bought myself. So, and see how it goes. So MUk Junkie, if you're watching this, you want to support me, yeah, I'll take it now. Only joking. Yeah, I'll put a link down below. Right, you guys, I'll leave it there because I'm going to have a cup of coffee being made by the lovely Diane over there. And we're all having a cuppa now. So, you lot take care, don't forget, link down below, go and have a look at them. See what products you do. It's not just caravan cleaner and motorhome cleaner, it's all sorts of cleaner. You lot take care and I'll see you on the next. Yeah, hi everyone, yeah, back home. Tell you something, when we were there at the cottage, as you can see in this video, we washed the motorhome. I'll tell you something, that MUk Junkie bought it up a treat. I went to it this morning and it looked like it was a brand new van, honestly. I can highly recommend that stuff guys, and like I say, this is not a paid promotion, I bought it. So I didn't think it was that good, but it is good. If you get the chance, go on the Facebook website, look up and down there. There's no discount code like I say, because this is not a paid promotion. But have a look at what they got on there. They've got car cleaners, bike cleaners, they've even got the blue for your loo, which is meant to be the best blue on the market, which I'm going to buy next and try that. So you get over to MUk Junkies on Facebook, link below, and have a look at what they got, and they're not badly priced. So see you on the next one, take care, bye.